Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a set of nails on my red iguana practice hand because I'm not really doing clients at the moment because I'm not very well, and obviously we all are aware of the coronavirus outbreak that is going on at the minute. So yeah, I thought I would come in with a video on my hand just to get some content for people who may be quarantining to watch. So I'm starting off and I'm using Fantasy from CJP, and I'm putting it at the cuticle area and blending that downwards. And then I'm going to come in with Lagoon and a lilac mix that I made myself and just kind of do like a very loose marble and then just pop some glitters on the nail. So I'm just really lightly going up and down with the brush with those two colours. And then I'm using these stunning glitters, and these are from Sonia Williams, and I think the blue one is called Daydream, and the pink one that I'm going to use is called Unicorn Crush, I think. Either way, they're absolutely beautiful glitters. So I'm just going to put them on the edges, and then I'm going to leave that to dry. Oh, and then I'm going to put some gold leaf as well in there. I hope you're all kind of staying safe wherever you are. Pretty scary times, isn't it, at the moment? Don't really know what to do for the best. Let's move it on now to the ring finger. I'm just going to place a little bead of that lilac at the cuticle area because I don't want to take the glitter all the way up to the cuticle. I just wanted it kind of starting a little bit further down. And I'm just kind of putting that purple as like the background so it doesn't just go onto like natural nail plate. And then you can see this beautiful glitter that I'm just going to put on there. Blend it down, and I'm going to go in with the Daydream and then blend that back in. And then I'm also going to pop some little mylar flakes on top of that glitter just to give it even more sparkle, because I think we need that sparkle more than ever right now. So now I'm going to go on to the middle finger. I'm going to do a nice smile line with Fantasy. So I'm placing the big bead on, letting it flow down into that natural teardrop shape. And then I'm going to tuck my brush right behind the back of that bead and make the cuticle area nice and flush. And then the finger is pointing downwards so that product naturally kind of flows downwards. And I'm just going to gently sweep my brush along the walls to try and make the smile line the sort of shape that I want. The most important thing is getting the smile line to the thickness that you want the whole nail, because we're not going to cap over the nail bed. So build that up to the same sort of height that you want the finished nail to be. So I'm going to allow that to dry before we go on to the next step on that nail. So onto the index finger, I'm just going to do another one of those loose marbles, just going up and down the nail all the way to the tip before I come in and add some extras. Once I'm done with the marble here, I'm going to go back and encapsulate the other fingers. Not the fingers, I'm going to encapsulate the nails. So going back to that nail, I'm just going to go and blend some of that fantasy. I wanted it to go and cover some of the marble and the glitter as well. I wanted it to kind of fade out. And then I go and apply, I don't know if I go back and do something else now, but we will see. So I'm going to apply some of that mylar flakes on top. And then I do go and apply some gold leaf as well, just to tie it all in. I didn't really have any sort of design in mind when I sat down to do these nails. I just pulled out some colours and glitters and just went with the flow. I just wanted to let you know as well that with everything that's going on, it is only temporary. Things will get better, and I hope you are all staying as safe as you possibly can. It's very scary. Anyway, so the gold leaf's going on. Didn't like the big chunk, so I took that off in the end. And then I'm going to go back to that ring finger, and I did file it, not the ring finger, sorry, the middle finger, and I did file that smile line just ever so slightly. I'm going to come in at the wall area and use Lagoon so it's nice and dark. Just cleaning up there, but you can go over. The reason I do that is to get it right into the wing without putting my brush all on the client's finger. I'm going to go back up the other end. Again, putting Lagoon on, taking it up the wing on the nail bed side so my brush isn't running along the client's finger and the skin. Excuse me. And then I'm going to come in with that lilac and just try and build it up a little bit at the tip to blend it back. And then I'm going to pop on some mylar and some glitter just to tie the whole design in. So all the nails are capped and dry, and I'm just going to come in and do some filing. So I'm taking my hand file, I'm going to go up the side walls, the free edge. If only we could actually do that on our real clients, just pop that nail out, file it, and then just stick it back in. So I'm just going to show you how I e-file the green off the nail bed, even though I encapsulated the tip. Because my wall was nice and high, even I can get away with doing that because we're going to file it back down anyway. So this is why it's important to keep that wall nice and high so that you can file it and reveal that nice crisp smile line afterwards. And then obviously after I'm done with the hand file, the e-filer, we'll go ahead and refine with the hand file, clean away all the dust, and now we're going to top coat these beautiful sparkly nails. I'm using the tack-free top gloss from CJP, and then I'm going to cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds. And that is the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed this short design. I am going to try and get more out now that we've got a lot more time on our hands. I don't really know where we're kind of at with the working situation. I have cancelled all my clients for the weekend. Just taking day by day and seeing what Monday brings, and we'll see what happens. Most important thing is that we're healthy and safe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye.